Mystery sound, mystery sound. What, oh, what is that mystery sound? Mystery sound, mystery sound. Are you ready to hear? It's time for another mystery sound. Let's see if you can figure out what this instrument is called. Here's what it sounds like. This is called a Zenergy chime. It is one metal bar on a piece of wood. It is held on by some thread, and to make the sound, you hit it, and then you let it ring. And it rings and it rings and it rings. The box that this came in says, relax, refocus, re-energize. A lot of times you'll see musicians and other people use this when they're working on the coping skill of meditation. You breathe in, using a nice deep belly breath, and you listen to the sound. Thanks for watching our mystery sound about the Zenergy chime.